How to update Fortnite on Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. So first of all, once you're on the dashboard of the Xbox, the home screen of your Xbox Series S or X here, what you want to do is, first of all, go to the top where it says My Games and Apps, click on A, then scroll along to Fortnite, then you want to click on the menu button like you see at the bottom right. There you can scroll down until you can see Manage Games and Add-ons, click A on that. There, when you scroll down, you should see updates. If you do not have the latest update, it will appear here. For me, I've already updated it, so if you don't see anything there is no updates currently, that means your Fortnite is up to date. In here, you can do different things though, like you can see the actual game version itself, so make sure it's the latest one. If you want to get the latest season, you'll know that within here, you can see the save data. If you think there's something wrong with it, you can uninstall and then reinstall Fortnite, then it will be the latest version. But as soon as you click on Fortnite, it will be the latest version. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.